Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. This side Manisha, a certified nutritionist and a health and fitness coach. So today we're gonna talk about the trending detox drink, that is barley water. So let's start. In the present times, many people are extremely health conscious and cannot afford to gain even a few grams of extra weight. With super hectic schedules, long hours of work, maintaining a healthy body and mind becomes even more important. It is a fact that unhealthy and irregular eating habits leads to many health problems. So it becomes way more important to eat right and live right. Barley could be a boon for people who want to reduce weight by consuming natural food. It is a whole grain that is high in fiber and packed up with other essential micronutrients. Here are the benefits of barley water with its easy recipe. So the first question arises that does barley helps in weight loss? So the answer is yes. Barley water does help in weight loss. As said, barley is rich in fiber. Unstrained barley water helps in improving digestion when taken regularly. It also makes you feel fuller for a longer period of time. Additionally, barley water helps in keeping the body hydrated. It also contains lots of calories but very little fat. All of these factors make drinking barley water an effective strategy to delay hunger and keeps you away from snacking in between the meals. When combined with proper diet and exercise, it can help in weight loss. Secondly, barley is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Barley water is rich in folate, iron, copper and manganese. The antioxidants in barley water contribute to many other health benefits. Next benefit is barley water also helps in lower cholesterol level. Chemicals present in barley are also called tocols and they suppress LDL cholesterol and contribute to better overall cardiovascular health. Next, barley water also helps in controlling blood sugar level. Consuming unsweetened barley water can help control blood sugar levels. The antioxidants in barley water helps in improving diabetes outcomes. Barley water also helps in urinary tract infection. This water also acts as a diuretic, which makes it a natural remedy for urinary tract infections along with kidney stones. So let's start with its recipe. Take 2 spoons of barley grain, soak it in a glass of water for 3-4 hours or overnight. Now boil the barley along with the water soaked in for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, turn down the flame and let it cool down for some time. Now your barley water is ready. You can add some lemon juice into it to enhance the taste. You can even consume it twice on a daily basis, as barley water has many properties that helps in cooling the body in this summer. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe the Dietix. Also do check out our Facebook and Instagram page. Thank you.